Hey, welcome back, everyone. It is hard to take a day off from covering Tesla. There is so much going on with the stock. Just a quick intraday update around 3:30 on the 7th of January. The stock is around $471, up over 4% or 430 basis points. Taking a look at some of their peers slash competitors, Ford is up modestly, 70 basis points, but GM, Fiat, Daimler are all down. BMW's up modestly, Volkswagen down, Toyota up a little bit, and Ferrari I threw in for good measure, basically flat. I did add to my position today. I bought 70 shares, and just taking a look at the chart, you can see that the breakout has continued. This is a 5-year chart. And if you look at the 2-year chart, and really even the 1-year chart, you can see that we formed a nice base and the stock is taking off. As I always say, I'm not a technician. I look at fundamentals. You can see my other 2 videos where I discuss what I think the robotaxi opportunity could be worth and what I think Tesla is worth as an auto company. It's over $2,000 per share. Can we just enjoy this for a minute? Here's Elon Musk's dance in China at the Tesla Shanghai plant. How can you not love this? The short covering has been getting a lot of attention, so I just wanted to look at things in a slightly different way. I usually hear people talk about the short in the context of the float, but let's take a look at the volume today. So just going back for 1 second, you can see here that 16 million shares have traded today. The 10-day average volume is 11, and the 90-day average volume is 8.8 million shares. And so what that tells me is you're getting a healthy amount of trading activity on the news from China today, and that's a very good sign given that the stock is up. You can see down here really that the last time they had a significant volume spike was on that third quarter earnings report. And so I see this as a very healthy sign, like I said. It's hard to tell if it's short covering or not. It certainly can't be all short covering. You can see here Tesla and the days to cover short. I don't know if this is exactly precisely right. I've seen some different numbers, and the market cap is probably a little bit off, but Tesla is not an outlier. You can see there are a lot of companies that have numbers that are a lot higher. And obviously the higher the days to cover, the more short interest there is in the stock. So you can see all the way up here, there's some different companies. Here's a great article that I saw. So Tesla started delivering its Shanghai-made Model 3 cars to the public in China on Tuesday, the first step in CEO Elon Musk's much bolder plan for the world's biggest market. Speaking at a ceremony to mark the first deliveries, he announced that Tesla will also make the Model Y, its lower-priced SUV, at its new Shanghai factory, and plans to open a design center in China with the aim of creating an original car for sale in markets around the world. I thought that part was really so cool. And if you watch him when you make the announcement, you can tell that he really thinks this is a big deal. And I love that move. Here's another funny headline that I saw. This is from CNBC. Venture capitalist compares Elon Musk's Tesla strategy in China to Sun Tzu's Art of War. He says that the entrance into the Chinese vehicle market is akin to the strategy described in the Art of War. Basically, you go right to the home territory of your competitor and make sure you dominate there. And what I've seen is cooperation between Tesla and China. I think that's great. They've been able to build a factory in 10 months. People said that that couldn't be done. I see him as somebody who is coming with an open mind and open arms to the Chinese in the hopes of cooperating. And so far, that's paid dividends for the company and obviously for the shareholders as well. Thanks for watching this quick update, and I'll talk to you soon.